Hi everyone. Today we are going to look at the problem Einstein under problem set 0 of CS50 Introduction to Programming with Python. In a file called einstein.py, implement a program in Python that prompts the user for mass as an integer and then outputs the equivalent number of jobs as an integer. Assume that the user will input an integer. Hence, we can use the input and int methods. As usual, we need to create a directory. Here it's Einstein, and then in that directory create a file einstein.py. I already have them created, so I just move to the directory. What do we need to do now? Create a variable to prompt the user for mass and store that value. Input, let's type something like what's the mass, space, arithmetics. Let's leave it like that for now. See, I'll copy the value from here. E equal to m times, in parentheses, we can either write like this c power 2, or as it's just a square, we can write c times c. Print c. Okay, let's see what happens. It throws an error because we are trying to multiply an integer with a string. It throws an error. To avoid that, change the input to an integer. Let's try again. That's it. Let's check once. Okay, all green means the code looks fine. You can leave now, or if you just want to hear a couple words about the mathematical operators. Here we just have a simple case wherein we are just doing m times c square or c power 2. If you have a lengthy mathematical operation, then you may just want to remember PEMDAS, stands for parentheses, finance, multiplication, division, subtraction, something like that. We want to remember it, the mnemonic. Please use my dear aunt Sally. Okay, so it just shows the order of mathematical operators as to how they function when we have multiple operators in an equation. Let's say, for example, if we have something like 9 plus let's say we have a calculation like this with multiple mathematical operators, then in order to understand as to how these mathematical functions work, it's better for us to understand these pandas and how it functions. If you Google, you can just go through this short video. It's hardly 5 minutes and gives a very nice explanation and simple explanation as to how it works. You may already know about it. I am just mentioning it here as we just have done a calculation and it may just be apt to remember about pandas. That's it for now. Thank you.